Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a task that I have put off for over a year, and that is clean out my car. I'm going to show you some cleaning and organizing hacks that I use when I do clean out my car. It's been a little while. Actually, the last time I really cleaned out my car was before I moved into this house. So you know it's bad. So I'm going to take you along for the journey. Alright, here's the back of the car. Now these bags right here are stuff that I just got from the Dollar Tree for this adventure. Alright, I have mail, I have jackets. We're going to get all that cleaned out. Talk about exposing myself. Whew, it's bad. Alright, let's get to cleaning. Okay, now I'm going to start cleaning the car. I have to go in and get my big vacuum to clean out the car. I had a little hand vac, but it's not working, so I guess I'll have to use the big vacuum. Anyhow, I'm going to start up front. I'm going to clean the vents. I use a foam paintbrush from the dollar store. I bought a pack of like 4 or 5 of these for $1, and they're perfect. They go right in the slot. Hold on, I'll turn you around. They fit right in the slot and get all the dust out of there. And then these air fresheners I got at the Dollar Tree as well. And they're okay. I really don't smell them, so they're mild, but I bought some new ones today. And then I got this Armor All protective spray, and I got the microfiber cloths, and I got those for the car and for cleaning in the house. So I think you get a 2 or 3 pack for $1, so it's a good deal. Okay, the other product I bought was this leather and vinyl protectant. You just spray it on and let that soak in, and then you just buff it with another microfiber cloth. So what I do is I dust in between all the cracks of the chair with the sponge paintbrush thing, and that gets all the crumbs out of those cracks that you never seem to be able to get. Okay, and then spray this on, and it's like a foam. Okay, and you let that sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to wipe it off. Or buff it into the leather. I don't know if you can tell on camera how much better that looks, but it already looks 100 times better. The sides of the now we're going to do this. Well, this one's really bad, but you know, it's usually just me in the car. So this seat obviously gets used a lot more than any of the other seats. And I'm impressed for $1 how well this is taking dirt out of the leather. Okay, I wanted to share with you some items I got to go in the center console at the Dollar Tree to have with me. Sorry, the girl is very upset that I am out here cleaning the car and she's not involved. So she's upset. And she knows I'm talking to you, that's why she's barking. So I got this plastic container to sit down in there, and it has in there a first aid kit. If you know me, you know I'm accident prone, so I'm always needing a band-aid or whatever. A little manicure set in case I chip a nail. Hair scrunchies. A little miniature sewing kit. Panty liners. And some scented hand wipes that are, I believe they're antibacterial. They don't say antibacterial. I'm fine with that. That doesn't bother me, but I know they had some there that were antibacterial. So I got that little container so I can be prepared for any little situation. And then I got some other things. I got a dog collar in case I ever take Pandora to her board, like for her doggy daycare or her boarding, she needs to have a collar like this on. And I like to have an extra collar because what if we're somewhere and her collar would break? I also, this is for her as well. I got her a little container, and I got her some doggy treats. These are peanut butter and berry flavored latte biscuits. I figured if mommy likes coffee, the girl's gonna like coffee. So, and they're just little biscuits in the shape of little coffee mugs. I just thought they were cute. So I got these for her. So if we go to the lake or we go somewhere, she has little treats in the car. So I have that to keep in the car. I got a lint roller, which can be used for a million different things. I got tooth flossers, because you know, you go out to eat and then you get food in your teeth, and no need to explain. I got a dog toy, so if we go to the park or something, she has a ball to play with. And then I got some air fresheners. I know I showed you the two I have, but I was kind of hoping that these ones would have a little bit stronger scent to them. And they're the refresh ones, so they're the same kind you would get at, like, you know, Walmart, Target, a regular box store. So I'm going to open these up and put these in the car and keep on trucking. But I wanted to share with you some things that I got at the Dollar Tree, because they have some neat things that you can keep in your car. I know moms, I mean, I am a mom, mine are just grown, but I always kept things in the car to be prepared. Ooh, these smell good. These smell even better than the other ones. I always tried to be prepared, and even though I'm a, you know, grown woman now with grown children, I'm so sorry. I want to have things in the car in case I need them. You never know. You never know where I'm going to end up or whatever, and I want to have, you know, things in the car. And so I thought, well, while I'm at the dollar store and it's $1, I might as well grab some things. So there you go. I did get one other thing I wanted to share with you. This I have been using. I got this a couple weeks ago, and it's just a small cereal container that pops open. I use this, I keep this on my front seat, so that way if I go through a drive-through, I get a soda or something, and I have the paper from the straw, it just goes right in here and I can keep it shut. And then when this gets full, you just pop it off and dump it, and then put the lid back on, and it's good to go again. So I have this as my little trash can. So I'm going to keep that probably on either on the seat or right there on the floor. So I thought I would share that tip with you too. All right. Well, I have my car. Honestly, it's not perfect, but it's as good as it's going to get, in my opinion. My energy level is just not where it should be today, and I'm just wore out. So, and it's not just from doing this. I don't know. I'm just off today. But anyhow, I got these storage cubes from the Dollar Tree as well to hold stuff in the back seat, because nobody is ever back here. So in this one I have paper towels, some tissues, a ice scraper because winter is coming. That's what I have in there. And this one I have that little container with the stuff I showed you, the lint roller, the dog toy, extra band-aids, dog treats, extra collar, and the flossers. And then this one is empty, so that could end up being like bigger trash or whatever. And then I bought the steering wheel cover. I thought it was so cute, but it does not fit my steering wheel. And I love this thing. So I'm going to have to find one that just runs a little bit bigger to fit my car. So I'm going to order another one. I do have the link to this one down in the description box, but I love this thing, but it's going back. So that was kind of a fail. I mean, I know now that I like it, and the only thing I need to do now is wait for those mats to dry and get those back in the car. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed this car clean out with me, an organization on a budget. If you made it this far into the video, please make sure, if you're not already subscribed, that you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye-bye.